Good morning, sir. I am Ashish Ramchandra Dilod. I have prepared a small presentation of a paper competition. Content of this project: introduction, scope of references, study, objectives, methodology, collection of samples. Now, I am talking about introduction. Introduction. Concrete is widely used material in the world based on the global usage. It is placed at second position after water. The most commonly used fine aggregate, natural sand or pit sand. The global consumption of natural sand is very high due to extensive use of concrete. Gold or tailings are one of the primary waste products of mining operations. They comprise of fine granite particles of the parent rock from which the ore is extracted. The disposal of this material is a major environmental problem for the mining industry. Now I am explain scope of references. Mangala Pandey Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Mining Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Karnataka. Utilization of gold ore tailing in manufacturing of paving block for eco-friendly mining, March 23-24, 2012. Second, R. Govind Adhikari and N. Ramagupta, use of gold mill tailings in making bricks, a feasibility study, waste management research, October 2007, Vol 25, number 5, 475 to 482. Now I am talking about study. In this study, concrete of M20 grade was obtained and the mixtures were modified by partially replacement river sand with gold or tailing. The properties of concrete. The fresh and hardened stud examined are workability and strength respectively. The workability of concrete mixtures was evaluated in terms of slump and compaction factor test. The strength of concrete was evaluated in terms of compressive, flexural and splitting tensile strength. In this present study, the local coarse aggregate is fully replaced by gold mine waste in preparation of concrete. A. Cost optimization by using gold mines waste near the Hati gold mine industry. B. Use of gold mine waste fine aggregate as replacement to natural sand. C. Use of gold mine tailings as a partially replacement of cement in mortar. D. Gold mines waste coarse aggregate can be used in pavement construction. Objectives of this project are: first, chemical analysis of gold mine waste coarse aggregate. Second, to study the physical properties of gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate. Third, to study the fresh state properties of concrete using gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate. Fourth, to study the strength properties of concrete using gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate. Fifth, to study the durability property of concrete using gold mine waste as a coarse aggregate. Now I am explain methodology. The experimental work is broadly classified into two stages, namely, first, sieve analysis. The main objective of the investigation is to partially replacement natural sand with quarry dust and study the behavior of concrete in the fresh and hardened state. The materials used for the investigation is first sieve and grading of aggregate is carried out, then the zone value is obtained. Natural sand replaced with gold or tailing at an interval of 5% up to 25%. Second, evolving mix proportion. Water cement ratio is an important factor in the process of mix proportioning. Primary requirement of good concrete is satisfactory compressive strength in its hardness state. Now I am explain collection of samples. The gold ore tailings were collected from the dumps of Kolar gold ores, Karnataka, after removing the grass and other weeds from the top surface. Thank you.